Hi, I'm Margaret Whitecamp. I'm the chair of the Space History Department here at the Smithsonian's National Air and Space Museum, but I'm also our curator for the Social and Cultural History of Spaceflight collection, which includes our science fiction objects, the mothership model from Close Encounters of the Third Kind, and most famously the 11-foot studio model from the Star Trek original television show, the Star Trek Enterprise. And we have a new Star Trek artifact that has come here to the conservation lab at the Stephen F. Udvar-Hazy Center, and so I am excited to be able to break the tape and get into this and see what we have. This is wonderful. Oh, wow. So these are original ear tips from Leonard Nimoy's personal collection. These are given to us by Adam Nimoy and the Nimoy family in honor of Bet Teshuva, and also the UCLA COPD research fund that was done in Leonard Nimoy's name. Now these are ear tips, the little prosthetics that would have been used in the original television series to make Leonard Nimoy, the actor, look like Mr. Spock, the iconic figure from Star Trek. And we know that he brought these ear tips home from the set with him in the late 1960s and put them into this box that he made himself. And these had pride of place in the Nimoy family until they have come to us today. So they are going to be a wonderful part of the science fiction collection. They evoke a really iconic character, an alien, a half-human, who really brought both humanity and that kind of outside perspective to his role. And I'm very excited that these are going to be going on display in the Kenneth C. Griffin Exploring the Planets Gallery in our new renovated downtown museum. But oh, they just came through shipping beautifully. These are wonderful.